is the car. It's good, YouTube. I'm back with another video. I know that I haven't filmed a video in a really long time. I've been super busy. I bought a 335 IS that's wrecked. That's gonna be a whole rebuild series, so stay tuned for that. As you guys know, I live in Arizona. However, I found a car in California on the Facebook Marketplace. It was a very good deal. I'll throw it up on the screen right now. But long story short, I couldn't pass up on this deal, so I bought a ticket. I'm taking a big risk here, considering I haven't seen the car in person yet. The next day, I hop on a flight to California. As you can imagine, it was pretty stressful, considering I've never seen the car, about to meet a random person. On top of that, I gotta hope this car makes it all the way home. That's another thing, is I'm driving this car home. The story gets interesting. It was done on like a really short notice. Like, I booked my ticket at 10 o'clock at night. This is the next morning at 8 a.m. I flew out. I'm landing at like 9:30. So that's where this clip lies. Without further ado, let's get in this video. I just landed in California. I'm in Orange County. Look how crazy this place is. I gotta walk all the way to Terminal C and downstairs. Here is the car. I love that you did the paint match on the carbon fiber trunk. Ooh, I want to see in the engine bay. Are these M3 wheels?
They're the M4 wheels.
Oh, okay, yeah. Wow.
I just did these headlights.
Oh.
Charge pipe, HKS blow valve.
Precision turbo, dock race, single turbo kit.
N55 oil cap.
Oh, no. Can you believe that I came all the way from Arizona?
Yeah, seriously, this is kind of surreal.
It is kind of surreal, dude. I was literally flying. I'm like, I've never done something like this before, but it's kind of cool. Like, and I'm gonna drive it all the way home, which I think is even more cool.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, and then got the tablet for you.
Yeah, I love
Pristine.
them. Yeah, they really are pristine,
Yeah,
dude.
if you get tired of the red, you can always swap out the skin. You can just order it from a smartphone.
No shit.
You can
Oh,
get
wow.
black, or you can go leather.
Wow, that's so cool.
Yeah, the laptop.
Wow.
Or the tablet. This is for both the tablet.
Okay.
And
No shit.
the alarm.
No way.
Just charge it. You don't have to replace batteries.
Dude.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that is sick. I've never seen an alarm system like that.
You don't have to charge it too often. I would
Okay.
say probably once every 2 weeks.
Dude, this is surreal.
JB4.
Okay, JB4. This thing is literally a dinosaur, guys.
JB4.
That's old school, dude. Heck yeah. Like I said, I got a 335 back at home. It's like 750 horsepower, but dude, it freaking blew up on me. So I've been itching to drive again, and this is definitely going to take care of that. Oh, I love the sound of dock race. Yeah, I'm sold. Got the keys in the hand. This is crazy. Flew all the way to California for a BMW. This thing is so freaking cool though. Man. We're at the bank finalizing the transaction, and that car will be mine. Be headed back to Arizona. This thing looks so good from the rear end too. It's got a carbon fiber trunk and a carbon fiber diffuser on it. Wow, really about to start a 7-hour trek all the way home in this thing with the bucket seats. Oh, let's go. This shit sounds crazy good too. It literally sounds so good. It's low-key getting warm here though. I gotta take my hoodie off. Vibing out, like I really am chilling here. We're going about 80 miles an hour. We're on the 60 and I'm on my way home, so see how this trek goes. This is crazy. This has got to be like a 64, 66 or something. It does not get spool until like 4,500. That's insane. Another crazy thing is this clutch is so stiff, like it's crazy. It doesn't disengage till like the end either. I think my in and out's supposed to be somewhere right here. Right up here on the right. Alright, I didn't realize how low this thing really is, so I look-y fucked up the front lip on there. Alright, scratch that. I don't know why everyone had the same exact idea as me, but that place is actually so packed. There's like probably 150 people in line. Oh my gosh, I just finished up at Arby's. I'm fucking so full, but look at the car, dude. Oh, this fucking thing looks so sick. Back on the road. All right, that was a much needed meal. I go ahead and find my way out of here now. Literally in no man's land. This is like where they film Mad Max movie. Oh, told you this thing's fucking slammed, dude. I think I'm supposed to take a right here. Looking at a 7 o'clock arrival time, 4 hours and 22 minutes. See how fast they can do this. Wow. Feels good to be back in the M54, I cannot even lie. That Doc race kit just sounds so distinct. Cruise control on, we are vibing. This thing's doing good. Temps are looking good, everything's looking nice. Got a crazy view out here right now. Vibes are lit. Alright, we're whipping right now. We're about 2 hours out from the house. But so far the only issue, I think the lip blew off. I hit a little piece of tire and this thing's like surprisingly low, so yeah, I think the lip is low-key dragging right now, but I'm gonna get some gas soon and I will figure that out. Not a big deal though, we're still on the road, we cruising. Quite literally, the only issue that the car had on the way home was the lip falling off. Alright. So like I said, I want to take off this front lip. Right now I have a mic in the car. I also have a mic on my license plate, so we're gonna see how this sounds. fast, like whatsoever, but. Okay, unfortunately I got home and the cameras were not even rolling. I did like 3 or 4 pulls too. I guess you guys will just have to wait till next time. But as I mentioned in the car, I bought a 335 IS, which I have yet to mention to the YouTube channel. So I guess now would be a good time. So let's roll the footage of the 335 IS and when I picked up that car. Got the 335 IS out the dog pound. Sheesh. Damn. Pretty much whole front end, rear end still chilling. That shit is torqued, buddy. Curtains dropped.